Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today is another creative look and this one is perfect for warm brown eyes. Also, if you do have hooded eyes and you want to do something more creative, then this is perfect look for you because this line that I've created it's actually way above the crease. This is perfect because it will open up eyes, and no matter if you have hooded eyes, this will change your eye shape totally in different direction. I was playing with some teal, green and blue shades, and I want to show you step by step how I created this. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, starting with this color right here from NYX Ultimate Brights eyeshadow palette, using a blending brush, working the color right into my crease. I reapplied this color a couple of times. I wanted to go one step at a time and build that color every time I take a color on my brush, working with that color until everything is gone, and then reapply again. It took me 3 times to build this color to her full opacity. Now the next color that I'm using is to highlight this brow bone area, and underneath my eyebrows I am working with white matte color and connecting the color with the previous shade. Now this next beautiful shade is from Kryolan and it's called TK2. It is really beautiful matte color, and I have to say matte eyeshadows from Kryolan, they really do have beautiful and strong color payout. While swatching them, colors are really true to what you can see in the pan. Applying this color again into my crease, but this time going a little bit lower than the last color. I went a couple of times with this color as well, and then this shade is really blurry, I'm sorry, but I took a smaller brush, packed that eyeshadow in the middle to achieve as much pigment as I can. Now, to create a graphic eyeliner, to know exactly where I'm going to position it, I marked the last part when it's going to end, which is in a space between my eyelashes and my eyebrows, which is in a space where my eyelashes are ending and my eyebrows, so somewhere in the middle. And to make sure that my line is not covered up, or in other words, that it's not positioned too low, whenever I am looking at the height of this line, I'm looking straight into the mirror. For this product, I decided to use my favorite eyeshadow from NYX Midnight Chaos palette. This is deep green color, and to turn powder to liquid, I used Inglot Duraline. At this point, I took my time to make this line as clean as I can, working with really small, precise brush. And this is actually not an eyeliner brush. Usually most of the eyeliner brushes that I find, they're actually too big to do this, so I found one of the brushes in store for a painting. So yeah, actually that's what I'm using right here. Going again next with matte white eyeshadow right into my inner corner. Moving back to Brights palette, using these 2 colors, mixing them together and adding that color right next to white one. And then mixing these 2 another colors from the same palette, adding that color towards the outer portion of my eye. And I am ending up with just this green color to close this eyeshadow story on my eyelids. Now the same mixture for my graphic eyeliner that I've used before, I'm using right now to create a winged eyeliner and connect that 2 lines. I also went into my inner corner and stretched the line a little bit towards my nose. To add some more dimension, I'm using this color right here from Kryolan called light blue, and to deepen up this color a little bit, I mixed this color with the same shade that I used for my graphic eyeliner. Moving back to white color to add some more brightness. And when it comes to lower lash line, I stick with basically with the same color that I've used already, so whatever I do have on my upper lid to have on my lower lid, but this time more on teal and blue-green colors. For my waterline, I use PLouise Nitro paint, and with the help of Inglot Duraline, I mixed a little bit of TK2 eyeshadow from Kryolan. To curl my eyelashes, I use MAC's
eyelash curler and add some waterproof mascara. Adding some individual, actually this is a part of eyelashes that I've cut. Ardell's eyelashes in style 421, and then I added a whole piece of these eyelashes, and I just wanted to make them a little bit thicker. That's why I added this individuals part as well.
And we made it till the end of another makeup look. Please let me know in the comment section down below what you think about these types of look. Is it something that you would wear, or you are more into natural types of makeup looks? Because as you can see, this is something that requires a lot of time and effort to create, and it is not just about blending, it is about creating a whole new shape for your eyes. So the fact that we're taking over 10 eyeshadows, for example, and taking time to blending them, that is just like step 2. But the most important thing is to know how to create another shape for your eye, to give your eyes another dimension. Is a whole different story. So yeah, like I said, it requires a lot of time, patience, and usually while filming this, for me, I just like to take a whole day, just, you know, go through every single small details. But hey, this is what I like to do, and I do like precision. Again, I want to thank you for your support and for watching this whole video. And guys, as always, I will see you in my next one. Bye!